There are several differences between MANUSsim and other CNC simulations inside CAM systems. Firstly, in MANUSsim, you always simulate the G-code. This means you simulate the exact G-codes that you would run on a real CNC machine. However, in CAM software, you often simulate unpost-processed raw toolpaths rather than the G-codes themselves. Secondly, MANUSsim provides the ability to fully optimize the G-code, speeding up all air cuts and cutting moves and deleting unnecessary home returns. In contrast, CNC simulations in CAM systems typically lack robust optimization algorithms or may not offer them at all. Thirdly, MANUSsim can be used together with many CAM software packages. On the other hand, CNC simulations in CAM systems are usually designed to work only with the specific CAM software which they are integrated with. Fourthly, MANUSsim can work simultaneously with your CAM software, allowing you to continue CAM programming while performing simulations. This is because MANUSsim is independent of your CAM software. However, when performing CNC simulation within your CAM software, you cannot simultaneously carry out CAM programming. You must wait for the simulation to finish before resuming CAM programming. To learn more about the differences between MANUSsim and other CNC simulations inside CAM systems, you can contact Manus Software.